I feel like striking you dead. But I don't want my mother to get angry with me.
You cannot.
I don't know what is dare not.
I don't know what
interfere with my affairs. Do not, if you try it, since you have tied your heart and your mind towards this man. What came in love will not go in love like that. Shift into the other corner. You are all wasting your time here. Oh, I am wasting my time. I am wasting my time.
Ma, what can you do to this woman? Because this woman is getting on her head now. You are being too stubborn.
I will handle her. She's just a little child to me. I will handle her.
Spoil everything that you've done.
I have spoiled it already. And I will redo it again. And you cannot save him. Oh, you think I can save him, right? Mirima, you cannot save this man. You call me Mirima, you are playing with your life. And you are in my territory. And you think, Mirima, Madriegu, Masara, one Marmiri will not do anything.
You're the one looking for trouble.
The cry of your daughter. Yeah, the cry of your daughter. I am here to support whatever that is going on here. You have never put me to shame. This man, and you can never put me to shame. And I order you to stop because you are in my territory. How dare you? You are in my territory and you speak rash with your mouth. Mirima, do you want me to seize the tongue into your mouth? You are playing with your life.
Ma.
I am playing with my life. Hold on. I am playing with my life. And when you are in my life, because water is life, and you are in my domain of life, and you think you can take my life, I am the daughter of the spirit. Failure to understand that, you'll be in the same condition with this man till you die. And never forget too, I am also the daughter of the spirits. I operate to the 7 elements. I operate to the earth. I operate to the sky. I operate to the moon. With the water and with the earth.
Why are you interfering now?
So you are just ranting.
Why are you interfering in our work now?
If I did not permit you here, you will not do anything.
Why are you interfering in our work? Why are you behaving like this?
You will not. Unless you want your soul to return to this sea.
Why have you had in your heart? Please wait. It's not. We don't want to fight between.
And you think my mother?
Hey,
my mother?
My mama.
I don't know who you are.
I'm the son of the soil. The same way you're the daughter of the sea. Why are you behaving like this?
I think nothing will happen here. You are dead. You are beaten more than you can chew. And you are beaten the terrible tiger.
Madam, that is not what you want here.
Mirima.
Please.
Like I said, you're joking with your life. I feel like striking you dead. But I don't want my mother to get angry with me. You cannot. You think you're superior over my mother. Because my mother is a merciful woman. Hold him! My mother is a merciful woman.
Now, why are you stressing me like this? Stay one place. What are you doing? What's your problem?
I suffered with this man for 15 years.
You suffered with him for 15 years?
I did everything for him. I sacrificed myself for him. Wow! Be down you!
I saw those what?
That's
you must be with
an immortal! Family!
I never witnessed an immortal man like this.
No man has come in contact with me since my mother gave birth to me. And now you, how loose you are. Because of your flesh, you flirted with this man. And you think the gods is happy with you. You lie! Mirima, be you daughter of the sea or not, I am of a higher authority here. I am just to do whatsoever. I am the daughter of 7 rivers, 7 oceans, and can even climb the 7 mountains.
And I have the authority over that 7 seas. I have the authority over the mountains. I decide what happens here.
Can I interfere?
And when I come to the valley, I take dominion.
Can I interfere? Please.
Ma,
please listen to
for
us
the
now.
sake of your mother, that is the reason why I am here talking with you. If not, you have been where others are.
Please, listen to me. Ma.
This man will remain in misery. I will never forgive him.
You can see my heart.
I say you will.
You can, ma.
I will never.
You must.
Hey.
Not just we.
You die in misery.